Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this logo and I've been working on this for a couple of weeks on and off, trying to figure it out. I don't know if I've got it for sure, but this might help a little bit. They want to embed a website where if somebody hovers over it, they could click on it and it would go to that website. I'm still working a little further. I did kind of redraw their website, their logo, so the wordage is terrible, but I just redrew this, and I use my address, my website, and you can make it transparent, but then you still have the hyperline, so I don't think it does you any good to hide it. And they just want to be able to hover over it somewhere and click on it. I don't think that's possible, but I'm still going to work on it. But I thought I'd throw this little bone. So I exported it and I went to my email and I sent it to myself. And I just opened it up. It's a PDF. And there's the my version of it. Let me make it a little bit bigger. This isn't like Corel, you can't just zoom in. Anyway, so this is a PDF that you would send somebody. You can lightly see my address, and if you double click on it, it opens up my webpage. So it is going to work. I'm going to see if there's not another way to completely hide it and still work, but just a few minutes ago, I didn't even think this was going to work. So anyway, I hope that helped them just a little bit. I don't think there's any way to get rid of that hyperlink line because that's telling you as a website. And just for the ones that want to know how I did that, go to Tools, Options, CorelDraw, and under text, I don't even know where I'm at, not display, paragraph, fonts, spelling, under correct, I checked automatically create a hyperlink when typing a web address. So all you do is just type out you have to have www. Just make it easy. And then when you click, it gives you a hyperlink. So if that was such a website, it would go to it. Now you can't just go to it from Corel, but if you would, that might help her a little bit. I don't know. I wish there was a way like to put this in the background. Let's just try that. Let's try. See, but it won't, unless you had it all over. I'm going to stop the video and I'm going to play with that. Maybe if you had it a bunch of times, they could just hover over it and it would come up. But see, just hovering over it, especially in Corel, is not going to come up. Anyway, I hope that helped her just a little bit. Thank you for watching.